wait to see and I can't do until every package arrives. Video he will be seeing. Oh my god, my wings. मैं outfit की जगह ये उठा के फेंकने वाली. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Prakriti. Happy Panchami from me and my friends. I hope this year the puja goes really well, really prosperous. May all your prayers come in reality like the one I am living in. So yeah, as per the title suggests, like, oh my god, I'm so excited for these videos. Like, me and my friends were planning this for such long time now. Like, all the 5 outfits are chosen by my friend from this Shashti to Dashami. From tomorrow I will start wearing. I till now didn't decided what to wear which day, and I'll be styling all of them. You will see in my next video, next Sunday's video. So before that, if you're coming here for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you will have a really great time here with me. So I gave my school friend to choose from the Indian wears and my college friends from the Western wear. So there is only one reason behind this thing. So I wanted to have a really traditional sari this time. So I didn't wanted to buy from online. My school friend lives really close to me than my college friends. So I told that let's do one thing. You and I visit the store and buy it offline. So उसमें वो भी हो जाएगा कि you choose for me, and at the same time like I can get it from the local place, not from online. I haven't seen any of the outfit till now. So if I get the product links and all, everything will be in the description down below, and I'll be talking more about my friends and how they chose it and what was our planning behind choosing the outfit, rather than really talking about the products, because they are the reason of this video. I have to make them feel special, that I wanted to let them know how important they are for me. So without any delay, now quickly get into the video. Okay, so now let me quickly start showing you guys all I got this time. So I've got the stuffs from Myntra, Forever 21, and one the sari which is from the local store. Okay, so I have 5 packages from Myntra, and these all are the Western wear. I'm starting from this. Okay, so this is the first outfit. So this is a shirt. It comes along with a trouser. I will show you just now. So before that, let me tell you who has chosen this for me. So this outfit is chosen by one of my dear friend from college. Like, her name is Rimsha Mafat. So I remember it was 13 of August, if I'm not wrong. So when I moved to hostel for my degree, and she was the first person I met, and I remember I went there and I was so upset. I thought at the first day they will allow our parents to decorate our room and they will at least allow them to visit our room, but they didn't allow any parents inside, and I'm so upset with the fact. And suddenly this Motarma comes in. Then we exchange our talk, and she was like so happy, so chilled out. We are in the same section to sit together. We have a group of 9 friends, and you know, the cool, the uplifting vibe we get from that friend, she's like that. She's really jolly. I just love her personality, how she carries herself, and yeah, I miss her. I miss her a lot. So yeah, this is the upper wear, and so I got this trouser to pair up with. I know this outfit gonna look bomb, like bomb. It got really nice golden stripes. This shirt is from the brand Kaushali. Next outfit is again from Myntra. This one. So this outfit is chosen by one of my dear friend, one of my, I can so much vibe with her. Like, she is so sweet. She's almost like a little sister to me. Like, you know, जो group में friend होता है ना, जो हमेशा ऐसे jokes and this meme kind of thing shares and all. She shares like the life meme. She wear many dresses, so I thought that it will be really nice to give her to choose from dresses. So this is so beautiful. Oh my god. So let me show you. It's a beautiful pink and orange color का पूरा floral pattern है इसमें. So the length is below knee. So you will see, I'll be trying all the outfits and how it looks on me in my next video. But फिलहाल के लिए देख लीजिए. This dress something looks like this. Okay, talking about my friend Namita. Also, she is that friend now. जिसके साथ you can study, you can go to your library. The times we do fun. Similarly, we know how to study. Like the time it comes, we do it all. So Namita is one of my that friends who always motivates me to do. So now moving to the last western outfit that I got, which Shilagana has chosen for me. So this is from the brand this Forever 21. So I got two packaging. One is the upper wear, another is the bottom wear. So I will show it to you guys. I genuinely adore her. I made her like just a year ago. And we became such good friends. It feels like I know her since childhood. So it was Shilagana was the first friend to send me the outfits, and I was like, wow, this. Honestly, I was really looking up to Shilagana because her sense of dressing, her sense of carrying herself is amazing. Like I love her dressing sense. Okay, so I was really looking for Shilagana, what she chose for me. I was so excited. So let me show you the top first. So this is the white, pure white V-neck top. I just love this one. You know guys, there was a huge discount, huge sale was going on from Forever 21 and we picked up from that time, I remember. This is so her style. I mean, so just look at this trouser, man. I will put the image also here, you can see. So this is the trouser look like. It got as a belt ki jagah, it got this rope kind of thing. It's look just chic. See, so this is how the trouser look like. Her style, her look, her curls. Oh my god! Like Shilagana, you inspire me. Like I really love you. So okay, now I will show you. So first let me show you this traditional that I got from Myntra. This is a beautiful outfit. Like this is chosen by कुछ भी आफत आ जाए जैसे तुरंत तुमको जो friend आके मिल जाता है वो वाला friend. And so my friend Riya, we are like 7 to 10 minutes apart. Like our houses are literally 7 to 10 minutes apart, and we can meet anytime just we want. That kind of friend of mine. So it's plain magenta color and the detailing over here. Just amazing. I loved it. So basically this is the outfit and it comes a trouser, same color, same pattern. There is no details going on, but I love it how classy it looks, you know. So we are the school friend. We used to go by bus, and same bus of course we stayed this near. And one thing that is really common between us is that like we both used to really like to go to school, but now it's like we miss school, especially we miss those bus journeys. I miss a lot those lunch breaks, and oh my god, her mom makes such beautiful noodles. Like till now I can have, but वो lunch time में जैसे बना हुआ आता था वैसे तो नहीं. Okay, so next outfit is basically a sari. Go for really basic, authentic saris this time. So this is from this place, the Bombay Silk Store. So this is how the sari looks like. I just love this sari. Silk. So this sari is pure Tashir silk. I guess Bengali में इसको तोशूर बोलते हैं. ऐसे ओका वो डिफरेंस. Beautiful temple work किया गया है पूरा साड़ी में. So ऐसे white इसमें. This is the आंचल part. So this sari is chosen by my dear friend Reshmita. Like I know her really well since our 5th standard, and we became like the best friends. तो ना birthday बिल्कुल चिपका हुआ हमेशा. We became that friend during those 7 to 8 standard. And I remember when we are upgrading from 8 to 9 standard, my section changed and Riya and Reshmita were in the same section. This broke me completely. Like, I don't know, but yeah, when I think of now the incidents, I love, but by the time I was really shattered. I can tell you, I was that emotional. And I remember whenever they used to visit me during the lunch break, that time only we used to have our lunch together. Otherwise मैं बिल्कुल अपने lunch नहीं लेती थी. So lately everyone was providing me sympathy, but at the end they were like, Prakriti, it's too much now. We can't deal with you. Like all the other classmates. But both of them, उन दोनों ने मेरा साथ कभी नहीं छोड़ा. They ensured that whatever goes wrong, we will be there. We will be having our lunch. Then only we will be moving to our respective sections. Today, when I think of the fact, I'm so thankful to both of you, yaar. Thank you a lot. I love you. She's the most genuine and most honest friend of mine. Like, she doesn't think much before talking, you know. जो उसके दिल में होता है वही जुबान पे. Just like me, I so connect with her, and I'm really lucky to have her in my life. Not only her, every friend of mine. It's not possible to include all of my friends, of course, in this short video, but I am proud of my each and every friends, and I hope all of their dreams come true. They get everything they desire. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. This was all the outfits I got this time for puja, and I'm styling them. And you will see that video on next Sunday. So all the best wishes from my side and my friends to you all. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.